Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your TikTok shop balance to GCash safely and easily. First, open the TikTok app and tap your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Next, tap the 3-bar icon at the top right to open the menu. From here, select Balance. Here, tap on Estimated Balance and then View. You should now see your live rewards and current balance. Now, press the Withdraw button. TikTok currently only allows withdrawals to PayPal or Payoneer accounts, so make sure you've linked one of these. Fill out the necessary information to complete the withdrawal. Once it's done, your TikTok shop balance will be transferred to your PayPal or Payoneer account. Finally, open your PayPal or Payoneer account and transfer the funds to your GCash account. Once completed, your TikTok earnings are now available in GCash. And that's it. That's how you can transfer your TikTok shop balance to GCash. Super simple and straightforward. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our next video for more TikTok tips.